Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Wanda and she writes, "Hello Miss Planet." Hi Wanda. "We are planning a black and gold super glam wedding next winter. I love the look of champagne fountains, but we don't drink. So I thought that look to hold our wedding cake instead would be amazing." Wanda, I agree with you. But the cost of real glasses is crazy and plastic may not hold the cake. Any help or ideas would be great. All right, Wanda. Not only did we give you an idea, we're going to show you how you can do it with actual glasses. I am so excited to share this week's post, which is Elegant Champagne Glass Cake Display. Are y'all ready? All right, let's go. So we're going to use 13-ounce classic red wine glasses that we purchased from the Dollar Tree. They have a very similar look to a champagne glass. They just have a little higher rim. But these glasses are $1 a piece. Now, you can always search for champagne glasses, but typically they're going to cost you at least $5 a piece, and I don't think you want to spend that kind of money. So for the bottom section, we're going to use 5 rows of 5 glasses, which is 25 glasses total. So you'll have a center row, and then you will have 2 rows on each side. Notice how the sides are touching each other, the glasses are touching each other. That makes it more stable. Then we're going to go ahead and put our 24 by 24 inch plexiglass on top. Now, the key with the plexiglass is it needs to be at least 1/8 of an inch thick. Anything less than 1/8 is not going to give you the structure you need to hold your cake. You'll notice on the base that you have an additional room to put an additional row of 5 glasses on either side. If you would like to do that, that is perfectly fine. It will not hinder the structure at all. So on the second level, again, you don't need to glue anything because the plexiglass makes the structure so strong. So you're just going to repeat that with 5 rows of 5 glasses. So if you're planning on putting your entire wedding cake on the stand, I would then suggest that you glue down the center 6 glasses, just that square in the middle, just to give you some extra support. But if you're going to be using portions or all of a faux cake, then you don't need that extra support of gluing down that center square. So make sure you have an idea of what combination you're going to do. If you want to put your entire wedding cake on there, you need to stay under 10 pounds. But if you're going to put parts of a cake on there, you can probably have upwards of 5 pounds on this stand, and that should not be a problem with the construction. So you have options here. You can keep it at the 2 tiers of the 50 glasses, or you can add a smaller tier to the top. If you choose to add the smaller tier, then you definitely need to glue down your wine glasses to the plexiglass. So you simply are going to place them where you want them at, and then using your E6000 extra strength industrial craft glue, you're going to put glue on the rim of the glasses and then place them right back down on the plexiglass. Once you have all the glue in place and all the glasses in place, place a book. In this case, I just use a good old-fashioned dictionary. Place a book or heavy weight on top of the glasses. Allow them to adhere for at least 2 hours, and then simply turn them over and place your top tier. This is very important if you plan on cutting your cake on the stand. You do not want to cut your cake on the stand without having the glasses glued down on this top tier. So the plexiglass that you're attaching the glasses to is a 12 by 12, which means that your bottom layer of cake cannot exceed that. So what I would strongly suggest is that you have your bottom tier of cake, actual cake that you can actually do your cake cutting with for the beautiful pictures, but then have the next 2 tiers be faux cake and possibly the very top tier be real cake so that you can have it for your first anniversary. So that would be my suggestion. The bottom tier would be cake that you would cut. The top tier would be cake that you would save, and the 2 middle tiers would be faux cake that nobody would be able to tell the difference anyway. And then let me tell you a little secret. Get sheet cake in the back that can be cut and passed out to your guests. They will never know. So you'll have a beautiful display and save tons of money. Just a little tip for me to you. Shh, don't tell anybody I told you. Well, that is it for today. Wanda, what do you think? I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. And trust me, this display is not going to move anywhere. You have to put it together on site other than the top tier. The top tier, if you choose to do the 6 glasses on the top, must be done beforehand, but everything else is put together on site. And don't worry, all the links to the supplies you need are in the description below the video. If you like this video, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. And you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, if you haven't already signed up for your Ebates rebate account, please, it is a must-do. Guys, they pay you to shop. Very simple. You simply click on the description, find the link to Ebates right there, click on the Ebates link, sign up for your account, and then when you are ready to shop online, sign on to your Ebates account, find the vendor you're looking for, make your qualified purchases, and you will receive a check at the end of the month. It is that simple, and it's absolutely free. So don't miss that opportunity. And don't forget to check out our MissPlanIt store. You can just click on that icon in the corner or go down to the description and click on the link that we provide for you. Our store is a digital store, which means it saves you money and you have instant access to the product. We are so excited that these products are helping you. That's why we created them. And right now you have several options in our store. You have the DIY Bride Wedding Planner, which is a step-by-step detailed plan to help you from setting the date to throwing your bouquet. We also have the Maid of Honor planner for those maids of honor who got the wonderful job but don't exactly know what to do. And finally, we have our DIY project planner to help you plan projects for any event, be it a graduation, a retirement, a baby shower, a quinceañera, all the things in between to help you make those beautiful memories. And in our dollar deals, don't forget, head over to the dollar deals in our store and we have our rose paper flower tutorial with a video link so that you can make those beautiful paper flowers that you always see and wonder, how do they do it? It's all right there for you, so check it on out. Don't forget, you can ask us a question or just leave us a comment. Your words of encouragement just help to motivate us to be our very best. We're here to answer your questions, so don't hesitate to ask. In addition to that, don't forget the links to all the supplies for the project as well as the project cost are right there in the description below this video. Just click on that little upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, and all of the information is waiting there just for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's post. We had so much fun creating it for you. This is a beautiful way to display your wedding cake or cupcakes or donuts or all the fancy things that we do these times for weddings. So I hope it was as helpful to you as it was as fun for us to create it. Well, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, count on this planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.